中国不仅仅是世界经济体的一部分，还是对世界经济的继续的可持续的发展的所能做的贡献。我们通过这个高水平的开放，就是来营造这样一个营商环境，促进这个资本、技术、人才在全球范围的流动。这个不仅仅是为了我们自己国家的可持续的发展，也是为了再继续推动全球化。
We all know that the economy of China is one of the leading ones in particular sectors like manufacturing and innovation, and that will again lead the world into a better recovery through innovations and through new ideas and through new talents.
I think that there are many areas that have improved, especially on the tech front. You are, leaders in this sector, very much so, and I think the world needs to follow and have a close look on exactly how the world is developing.
More the China opens, it brings more opportunities for the neighboring countries and for countries from distant regions. The global economy has a lot of prospects to expect from China, and China will have a key role to play that.